How to change email on Facebook. Open the Facebook app on your Android or iPhone device, then tap the menu icon. From here, tap the gear icon. Next, tap See More in Account Center. Under Account Settings, select Personal Details, and then Contact Info. Tap Add New Contact at the bottom. Select Add Email. Enter the email address. Then select the account. And tap Next. Enter the confirmation code you receive at the email address entered. Tap Next and then Close. To remove the old email address from your Facebook account, tap the email address that you want to remove. Then tap Delete Email. And then Delete to confirm. Re-enter your Facebook password followed by Continue. Then close. For more interesting videos, subscribe to our channel.